whenever you're making your call, it can record that call, and whenever it records that call, you can once the call is complete, you can get a full recap voice of that, so you can hear the whole thing. We also have the transcription bubbles. So what did the customer say? What did you, the agent, say? And if it's a long one, it may have several bubbles and stuff going back and forth. In addition to that, once you've got those, if you want to hear a particular bubble, you click on the bubble and it will play that portion of the bubble. So if you've talked, a little bit in there and you want to get to a certain part, maybe the transcription didn't come out clear, something didn't quite make sense, you can actually listen to it as well. Once that is done, once the call is done, it then goes in, it says, let me check to see what updates that I can do for the database. So it will find information pertinent to the contact record or whatever, and it will make sure that it has that information in the system for you. So let me see if I've got another one here. Yeah, not this one. And then in addition to that, if you've got fields of information, maybe there was a phone number. In this case, it wasn't provided, but maybe there was a phone number that was provided and you don't have that phone number. You'll be able to check this and say, apply that update. So it'll update your database for you in those cases. It does do a sentiment analysis of it. Was it a negative call? A lot of people cussing, yelling, screaming, I don't know. Was it neutral or was it a positive call? Obviously, you want positive calls, and it'll do a sentiment analysis. Again, these are things that we'll be able to do some analysis on and use AI to be able to help you guys improve your calls and stuff like that. It will also do a summary of that call, kind of give just a real quick summary. This information then will be pushed back to the contact record as far as a call update information. And then it says, okay, besides the database updates, what other things were talked about that we need to do follow-up actions on? Do we want to do certain things? And it will use AI. It's not doing it what I really want it to do, but it's getting close. And it'll give you a list of the different things that you may want to do, and you can say, do these actions. Maybe it's set an appointment on Thursday at 2 o'clock. Maybe it'll be, reschedule this call for Friday at 2, whatever. And it uses AI to do those for you. So this is coming. It's not there yet, but it's getting very, very close. So wanted to kind of show you guys the progress on that.